Welcome back to our channel, dear viewers. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of Harpy Chat, the revolutionary AI-powered platform that's transforming conversations as we know them. In this video, we'll take you on a journey through the features, uses, and limitations of Harpy Chat, exploring how it enhances our interactions with AI. So, let's get started. Number 1. Overview of Harpy Chat. Harpy Chat, an innovative AI-driven platform, has been making waves with its context-aware conversations and lifelike characters. This cutting-edge technology has caught the attention of many, promising a new era of personalized and seamless interactions. Number 2. Features of Harpy Chat. One of the standout features of Harpy Chat is its intuitive user interface, making it accessible to both tech-savvy users and newcomers. With its vast knowledge repository, Harpy Chat is a treasure trove of information, offering insightful responses on diverse topics. But what truly sets Harpy Chat apart is its ability to craft lifelike characters, enhancing conversations with emotional expressions and engaging storytelling. Number 3. Uses of Harpy Chat AI. The applications of Harpy Chat AI are vast and diverse, from customer support to virtual assistants, language learning, and personalized content recommendations. Harpy Chat transforms the way we interact with AI. Whether you're seeking educational support, assistance with daily tasks, or simply a captivating chat experience, Harpy Chat has you covered. Number 4. Limitations of Harpy Chat AI. Like any technology, Harpy Chat AI has its limitations. While it excels at context-aware responses, complex contexts may still pose challenges. It may not fully replicate human emotional intelligence, but it's continuously evolving to provide even more authentic interactions. Number 5. Harpy Chat AI in beta. Currently in its beta phase, Harpy Chat AI is continuously evolving, refining, and expanding its features. Being part of the beta adventure allows users to experience the platform's growth firsthand and contribute to shaping its future. Number 6. Elevating learning experiences with Harpy Chat. Harpy Chat AI proves to be an invaluable educational tool, providing enhanced support to learners of all ages. By crafting lifelike virtual tutors and historical figures, Harpy Chat engages students in immersive and interactive learning experiences. Its ability to clarify complex concepts and provide supplementary resources fosters a deeper understanding of academic subjects, making it a valuable companion in the pursuit of knowledge. Number 7. Harpy Chat for Business. For businesses seeking to enhance their brand engagement, Harpy Chat AI presents a powerful solution. By integrating this advanced AI platform into their customer support systems, companies can offer personalized and context-aware interactions, fostering stronger connections with customers. Harpy Chat's ability to adapt and learn from user interactions enables businesses to deliver tailored experiences, building loyalty and trust among their clientele. Conclusion. Harpy Chat AI opens up a world of possibilities, bridging the gap between human and AI interactions. With its user-friendly interface, context-aware responses, and lifelike characters, Harpy Chat transforms the way we engage with artificial intelligence. Whether you're an early adopter in the beta phase or exploring its potential in the future, Harpy Chat promises a future of intelligent and connected conversations. We hope you enjoyed this deep dive into Harpy Chat. If you found this video informative, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Thank you for joining us today, and until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of technology. Goodbye.